Another day, another shoe unboxing. Man, I'm really running out of shoe rack space. So the other day we were at Secret Fresh to cover the launch of the World Balance and Secret Fresh collab shoe, the I-Sperm. It's a simple silhouette, reminiscent of the Revenge X Storm, but with the logo of a very prominent sneaker collector, DJ Bigboy Cheng. And here it is. I'm excited to unbox this. Let's go. So the I-Sperm comes in a bare, unpainted cardboard box that has the World Balance and Secret Fresh logos on it. On the side, we get some details about the shoe, and surprisingly, it doesn't say I-Sperm on it. Probably because they will have a hard time selling it at stores because of the name. Mine has art and signature by DJ Bigboy Cheng himself. You won't find this on retail units. Let's open it up. The wax paper covering the shoes have the World Balance and Secret Fresh logos on them. Nice. And this is the I-Sperm. Wow, they're very heavy. I got the white pair because they look super fresh and clean. It has no laces, just these 3 Velcro straps. Let's go over them. So the shoe is predominantly white and gray with mixed materials. Most of it is white canvas, including the tongue. The toe box, Velcro straps, and heel counter are kind of a cream/gray suede. There is thick padding on the ankle collar. I think it will help well with comfort and wearability. On the sides, there's the logo. It's a heart with the tail of a sperm cell. Don't demonetize me, YouTube, please. It's made of leather, and during our interview for BrenPro TV with Bigboy Cheng himself, he said that it was his old logo before the current Secret Fresh heart logo. The same logo can be seen at the heel badge. There is also a cream/gray line around the midsole. Printed on both insoles are the logos of World Balance and Secret Fresh. It's not very visible in videos, but the insoles are very thick. I assume that these are going to be very comfortable to wear. One detail though that you won't see on retail units is this. I had Bigboy Cheng sign my pair, and it says his name in graffiti style on the back. As the kids would say, that's fire. I will be spraying a matte finisher on this signature because I don't want it to get erased due to use. I wear all my shoes. Also, if you're planning to pick these up, it also has a red and blue colorway, but mine is white. Let's try them on. Look at that, that's beautiful. Like I assumed earlier, they are very comfortable because of the very thick insole and padded ankle collar. One thing to note though, it kind of rides at the back of the heel, so you might want to wear thick socks when using these shoes. I can see myself rocking these with very simple fits for the office for that low-key vibe. I do have to say, they are very easy to wear because of the Velcro straps. So that's my pair of the World Balance X Secret Fresh Bigboy Cheng I-Sperm shoes. Do you have any questions about it? Comment down below. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point unboxing videos like this. My previous video was my unboxing of the World Balance X Star Wars Darth Vader shoes. Have you seen it yet? It's pretty good. Go watch it. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.